you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris and it is a brand new year and I have yet to take down the Christmas decorations. Wait till you see what I got. Have you ever wondered what you get from the food pantry after the holidays are over? You get all the surplus. Yeah. Check this out. What I got is going to make wonderful meals all month long for us. Thank God. Because we were in desperate need. Anyway, let me show you what I got. And I'm going to tell you about some of the changes coming to the Uncle Chris kitchen and house and myself, if you notice the haircut. And I look a lot slimmer, 20 pounds less. Let's go take a look. We are going to start from the left all the way to the right. Now, we got a lot to go over, nieces and nephews, so let's check it out in the first row here. We've got some Prince Mostaccioli, a whole box. Do you know what dishes I can make with this? Well, Alfredo comes to mind with some mostaccioli, some chicken, or maybe even some sausage. Then we've got some stovetop turkey, stuffing, mix. You can still make dishes with these, and they don't have to be holiday. They can be, but you can make a chicken loaf stuffed with stuffing. That would be delicious. Or you can still have it as a side. Why not? It doesn't have to just be for the holidays. Then we've got, this is that pasta with tomato and basil sauce. They say this is really good. I've never had it, but I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it finally. Jay always eats it. He seems to like it. We've got some funfetti. Oh, cake mix or cupcakes. Look at that. That's going to be fun because we're going to be doing staycation videos. Because after the holidays, what do you want to do? Vacation. But maybe you can't go anywhere, so we're going to do it at home. Now we've got some jellied and whole cranberries. Oh, the sauce? Yeah. I still like that as a side, even if it's not the holidays. Then we've got some pumpkin. I can make my pumpkin soup with a twist. I'm going to make a curry pumpkin soup. It's delicious. Then we've got a plethora of corn. 2 cans of sweet whole kernel corn and 4 cans of cream. I still love it when my sister makes that corn pudding. It is one of my favorites. Then we've got some mixed green beans. That would be good for a green bean casserole. No salt added. You know I love that. 2 cans of sweet peas. Love some peas and carrots or some peas and baked potatoes or mashed potatoes with a steak. Oh, or a Salisbury steak. Then we've got 4 cans of tomato accessories. In other words, 2 cans of tomato sauce and 2 cans of diced tomatoes. These are low sodium and these are sodium free. This would make a great baked mostaccioli. Then we've got, oh, what is this? Some mixed fruit. The fruit cocktail, that's so good. We've got some pears. 2 cans of those. And we've got some soups over here. 2 cream of mushroom. Make that 3. And a tomato. Oh, this is going to be good for my soup and sandwich videos, for one. We've got 2 cans of tuna. 10 containers of unsweetened applesauce, which I love so much. A peanut butter. Love peanut butter. Jumping over here. We've got some cereal, y'all. Rice checks. You can make a check mix. You can also use the peanut butter to make a treat, like kind of like cookies with this. Oh, yeah. Then we've got, behind here, some cornflakes. That is so good in the morning. I love cornflakes. And maybe some bacon, sausage. Yeah. Couple eggs over easy. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4 macaroni and cheese dinners. Now I'm going to show you. I make my own cheese sauce. I don't use that packet, and I'm telling you, it's so much better. So much better. We've got 2 containers of oatmeal, the quick oats. This would be a great breakfast, great cookies, great filler. And guess what? That's right, oatmeal and cereal bars with a little icing, maybe some raisins thrown in there. Yeah. Then down here we've got 2 bundles of spinach. And what is this? 4 yellow zucchini. I'm going to show you a nice, easy dish to make with these that you're going to love. Trust me on that. Then we've got some greens. Let's see what kind these are. If I can read the tag. I have no idea. Oh, these are collard greens. Some collard greens. And these are kale greens. This would be a nice mixture. We can do these in the slow cooker. I'm going to show you how to do them in the slow cooker. It'll be a really cool meal. All right. Then over here, frozen blackberries. You know, you can make a smoothie. You can also make a freezy. In other words, some water, a little sweetener, and your berries. Just blend it up, and it makes a great frosty frozen drink. Now, we've got some chicken legs, some drumsticks. Let me turn this around. Uh-oh. I'm knocking things down. We've got some drumsticks, a whole bag of those. These will be great in the oven or on the grill or as soup. Then we've got over here some Alaskan pollock fish nuggets. The kids love these. Just pop them in the toaster oven. You don't even have to fry them. I think they're better in the oven. Less fat and rather tasty and crispy. Over here, ground chicken. Look at this, you all. Not 1, not 2, but 3, 4 of them. Casseroles are waiting for me. Then I got several peppermint candies. I already put them in the bowl. Then we got some caramel brownies. Yes. Then up here we got a ton of raisins. I got apples, just a whole bag. I put them in a container already because I'm going to dice them up and make them into a pie. Over here, we've got some sweet potatoes. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. And then look at this. Premium young turkey. I got a whole turkey, y'all. A whole turkey. Yes, I'm going to cook that, but I also might make a jerked turkey. Yeah, I might do that. Let's look at everything we got. It's amazing how much surplus they had left over from the holidays. And it's still good. Just look at all of that. Amazing. Did you guys see how much surplus was left over from the holidays at the food pantry? Wow. I'm so glad I went. I'm so glad I showed you this. And I'm also glad to show you 20 pounds less. Yes, I'm working on it and it's working. So soon you're going to see a whole new Uncle Chris. Don't let that scare you. All right. Now, I want you to like. I want you to comment. I want you to subscribe. I want you to also write to me at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. Yes, I know you've been waiting for my videos and I've got plenty coming out. Look for me, Simply Meals T-Vlog, with a new collaboration. We're challenging each other. We're going to do the staycation and we're going to do, it's a surprise, but you're going to see it. It's going to come out and I think you're going to love it. I hope you love the new me. Please make a comment. Do I look okay? Do you think it's all right? Am I losing too much weight? Not enough. I got to lose some more. All right. I want you to write to me now. Please let me know how your holiday went. And remember, you are not alone. I am with you. Let's make this winter until the summer be a good one. We're going to do our staycation meals and get cozy by the fireplace. Or the electronic one or the one on TV. It's all right. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris.